Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so you don't waste time. Check Settings General about to note your iOS version and free storage. You need room for an update or restore. Next, go to Settings and make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. That's required to show purchased apps. Finally, open Screen Time and Content and Privacy restrictions to ensure installing apps or showing App Store isn't blocked. Disable any blocks before continuing. Now you'll restore visibility and functionality. If Screen Time blocked the App Store, set content and privacy restrictions off or allow installing apps. Once done, check the home screens. Go to Settings Siri and search and enable suggestions and app visibility so Spotlight can find the App Store. If the icon still doesn't appear, reset home screen layout to reveal hidden apps. As a last resort, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or Finish by refreshing your account and system. Sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in to force the App Store to resync purchases and visibility. This often resolves missing icons. Make sure iOS is up to date via software update and restart your iPhone after upgrades. If the App Store still won't appear, back up to iCloud or a computer and perform a full restore. If that fails, contact Apple support for deeper account or device diagnostics. One key tip: always back up before a restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.